How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hide full path in VS Code. So basically, here is the path file that we got from our terminal. So the first thing that you want to do is to just type the following, which is going to be code space $ profile. Hit on enter, and then it will actually open up the file right here that we could basically edit. Now from there, you then want to type the following, which is going to be function prompt. And then we have this icon right here, space, and it's going to look something like this. Now I suggest just to not leave it at default. You then want to use this specific icon right here, which is going to look something like this. So from there, let's just close this file. Let's delete our prompt, and let's basically go ahead and run it again. Now from there, you won't be able to see the file location on your terminal right here. As you can see, we only have hello world, and finally we have this one. And so that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.